So this is going to be quite a quick video, but today is my 10th year anniversary on YouTube. Back on the 18th of April 2009, I uploaded my first video, and I'd have never expected to get to where I am today. Now obviously I've not been uploading videos all that time. I did some, took a break, did some more, took a break, started a new channel, did some videos there, stopped doing that when I went off to university, then sort of came back in my current incarnation in about 2015. But yeah, I've had my account for 10 years, which is crazy, and I've never expected to get to this level. Back in 2009, YouTube was a very different game. Getting 1,000 views or 1,000 subscribers was huge. Being a YouTube partner was really rare, and I never expected to get that. Whereas nowadays, it's pretty easy to get a partner status and monetize videos. The tech scene back then was also very different. Unboxings were huge. You would just buy a random product, unbox it, and people loved it. You didn't have to review it, you just take it out of the box and show it. Tutorials were also very similar. They were filmed usually on Windows XP, using unregistered HyperCam 2 because no one could find any better freeware, even though there was some out there. They'd be so low quality you could never read the text. People would never talk in the videos, they would just type the instructions into Notepad painstakingly slowly. And then to top it all off, because you weren't talking, you'd put background music on, which would almost certainly be 009 sound system Dreamscape, which sadly I can't play nowadays because of Content ID. But yeah, YouTube has come a long way. So what I thought we'd do for a bit of fun is we go and take a look back at my first ever video. Now sadly it's no longer live on YouTube. I privated it a few years ago when I was trying to recreate my channel, and the problem is now there's some weird bug with YouTube. If I try and republish that and make it live, it'll publish that as a new video and notify everyone, and I don't really want to do that. So what I thought we'll do is we'll watch it together, go through this terrible cringy old tutorial video, and then we'll come back. Okay, so now I've got the video queued up on my phone, so let's watch it. It's definitely a bit cringy and terrible. How to crash Windows 98. Yes, I definitely came along with the essential information you needed to know in 2009. Oh, disclaimer in case I thought I was going to be sued by someone breaking it. Virtual PC 2007, oh, that's state-of-the-art technology. Screen capture glitch, had to point out that so it didn't confuse people. Oh god, Windows Movie Maker on XP. Not typing text into Notepad though, I'm putting titles cards up. Although they're definitely a bit, sort of, they get in the way a little bit. Yeah, 4:3 aspect ratio, not even full screen virtual PC. Oh look at Crash, there was a surprise. Why would anyone need to know this? Jeez. Yeah, and there's obviously no sound or anything with this, it's just literally a completely silent video. Oh, thanks for watching. Didn't say to subscribe though, I missed a trick there. Yeah, my quality's definitely improved a fair bit. But yeah, back then I was just filming videos using screen capture software or my old camcorder, throwing them up on YouTube and just seeing what happens. So back then that tutorial there was filmed on this old laptop, my little Samsung NC10 netbook that I've still got. Back when netbooks were all the rage, this was state of the art at the time. And I used this as my main machine because even though I had a desktop, it was so old that this thing with its 1.6 GHz Intel Atom and gig of RAM was actually more powerful. So yep, this is what that video was recorded on, then edited in Windows Movie Maker. Then after that I actually started filming things properly. I got a camcorder. Can't remember when I got this, it was probably like my 14th, 15th, 16th birthday, something like that. It's an old standard definition Panasonic hard drive camcorder. I think it's got a 20 gig hard drive in it. I liked this thing back in the day, it's obviously completely hopeless nowadays, but yep, this was the camcorder to film my early videos on. And back then, I'd have never dreamed to have this sort of setup with, and I don't have a fancy setup, but I've got lighting, a high-end camera, separate audio recording hardware, editing on a MacBook Pro under DaVinci Resolve, proper audio monitoring. I'd have never expected to get to this level. But back then, that's all you needed. No one had professional quality. YouTube wasn't even in HD, and you had a 10-minute limit on videos. So it's amazing to see how far things have come, and I'm really excited for the future. And I certainly never expected to get to, what, 25,400 odd subscribers? That's just crazy. So, yeah, thank you very much for watching. Obviously, I'm not expecting anyone to have been here for those 10 years, but if anyone has somehow been here for those 10 years or most of that, that's pretty insane. Leave a comment if you have. But, yeah. So, thanks for the last 10 years, or at least supporting me the last 3 or 4 years I've been doing stuff regularly. And here's to many more years on YouTube.